Okay, chapter 1 is linear equations, okay, in one variable. So, how to solve linear equations? We'll see that, okay. Come to exercise 6a, question number 1, part A. You are given the equation x plus 5 equal to 3. Now, we have to find the value of x. So, whatever is there with x, we'll remove that by adding, subtracting, dividing or multiplying. Okay. So we have plus 5 here. So we'll subtract 5 here. So we'll get the value of x. But we cannot subtract or add or do anything on one side. We have to do on the both sides. Okay. This side also and the right side of the equal also. So if it is plus 5, we'll subtract 5. And from this side also, minus 5, subtract 5. Now 5 minus 5 is, they cancel each other, so x equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So you get the value of x equal to minus 2. Okay, look at the next part, C. 7a equal to 14. Now, here we have to find the value of a. So how to remove 7 from here to get the value of a? We have to divide by 7, okay, because it's in multiplication, so we can cancel or remove by dividing only. So divide both sides by 7. 7 here and divided by 7 here. So 7 and 7 cancel each other, and 7 2 is 14. So we get the value of a equal to 2. Okay, the next part, E. 8 is equal to 16d. Now, with the variable we have 16, so we have to remove 16, and the sign here is multiplication, so we have to divide. Okay, so we'll divide 16d by 16, and this side also by 16. So 16 and 16 cancel each other, and here the common factor is HCF is 8. So 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So we get 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 equal to d, or d equal to 1 upon 2. Then coming to G part, a minus 3a equal to 8. So a and a, they are like terms, so we can simplify. A minus 3 is 2a equal to 8 now. So minus 2 equal to 8. Now we have minus 2 here with the variable a. So we have to divide by minus 2 both the sides. So minus 2a upon minus 2 and 8 upon minus 2. Minus minus cancel each other, and 2 and 2. Now here 2 4s are 8 and minus sign will be there. So a equal to minus 4. Now the next part is I. 4 equal to 2y minus 5. Okay, so first, okay, we have variable both the sides. So first we'll, okay, this variable we have to remove. So we'll subtract 2y from both the sides. So subtract 2y from both the sides, 4y minus 2y, 2y minus 5 minus 2y. So 4y minus 2y is 2y, and 2y minus 2y is, they cancel each other, and you have minus 5 here. Now with the variable we have 2, so divide by 2, both the sides. So 2y upon 2 and minus 5 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel each other, and we have y equal to minus 5 upon 2. So which is your answer? Now look at second question. Okay, we have to make 4 equations having the solution d equal to 5. So by adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying anything, both the sides, we can get the equations. Okay, so first I am adding 2 both the sides. So d plus 2 and 5 plus 2. So d plus 2 equal to 7 is your first equation. Then I am subtracting 3 from both the sides. So d minus 3 equal to 5 minus 3. So d minus 3 equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, is your second equation. Then I'm multiplying by 4 both the sides. So d into 4 equal to 5 into 4. D into 4 is 4d, and 5 4s is 20. So this is your third equation. Now divide both the sides by 5. So d upon 5 and 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 is 1. So d upon 5 equal to 1 is your fourth equation. Okay. Now do up to question 2 complete. Okay. Do the remaining parts of 5d and question 1, remaining parts of question 1 of 6a. Okay, in the next video, we'll finish the exercise, question 3 and 4.